Les adjectifs qualificatifs. That is what we are going to be learning today. My name is Monsieur Dieudonné. Don't forget that on this channel, I will teach you French language from basic level to advanced level. So in this video today, we are going to be focusing on les adjectifs qualificatifs. Now, before we proceed, I want to ask you if you know how to conjugate this verb être. If you don't know it, I will advise you to go and watch my video that is dedicated for this topic, because we are going to be forming sentences with adjective qualificative, and this verb is very important in forming sentences with adjective qualificative. So go and watch it and come back and follow us. Let us move on. There's something you need to have in mind. In French, we are always serious about masculine nouns and feminine nouns. Very important. That's why you can see I have masculine here and I have feminine here. So all the masculine adjective will be here and the feminine adjective will also be here, and we see the English or the meaning of them down here. A man from Nigeria will be called Nigerian, but a woman from Nigeria will be called Nigerian. If you are an English speaking person, you may be saying Nigerian. No, it's Nigerian. English is what? Nigerian. Alright, let's move on. Let us try these settings. Ma mère est dash. We want to say my mother is Nigerian. My mother is Nigerian. So how can we say that in French language? Ma mère est dash. Can we try that? Alright, the correct answer is ma mère est Nigérienne. Now you can see that feminine is Nigerian. So that is the correct answer. Let's move to the next one. Here we have cool. This is not cut. This is cool. Now, for feminine, we have courte. Courte. English is short. Let's try one exercise. Il est dash. He is short. What do you think in French? This short will be what? Let us check. You have short here, you have short here. Which one do you think we can use for this? Which one do you think we can use here? Is it the masculine or feminine? Let me quickly help you. You see I have he here. This he is telling us that we are talking about masculine gender. So we need to go for masculine adjective, which is cool. So the correct answer here is il est cool. Blanc is masculine. Blanche is feminine. English is white. Let's try an exercise. Here we have la table est dash. The table is white. You have white here, and then we are looking for masculine or feminine here to know which one of the whites, which is blanc or blanche, to use. Let's see, this is blanc, blanche. So which one can we go for if you have the table is white? Let me help you. You see this la here. Anytime you have la with a noun, it's telling us that this noun is a feminine noun. So la will tell you that the noun that is following la is a feminine noun. So we need to go for the feminine adjective, which is blanche. So the sentence will be la table est blanche. Grand, grande is big. Let's try this sentence. La maison est dash. In English, we're gonna say the house is big. Now we have big here, and we are looking for which one of them can we use. If it's grand or grand, we don't know. But the question is, This house, is it a masculine noun or feminine noun? House in French is la maison. I just explained it. La is telling us that maison is a feminine noun. So we need to go for grande. La maison est grande. Long. 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 That's English. Rond. Ronde. Round. Petit. Petite. See the difference. Petit. Petite. Small. Gentil. Gentille. Yeah, many people will miss the English because you are going to say gentle. I know. Is kind. Alright, we have honnête. Honnête. This case, the two is the same. You can see they are the same. Honest. Alright, you have gros. Gross, which is fat. We have beau. Belle. Like the English is the example of what you are doing in French. Look at the English. They have the one for masculine and the one for feminine. That's what you have in French. Let's say 90% of the nouns in French are like this. They have the masculine and feminine. So just follow this example to know that French is built up like that. Okay, let's move on to the next. You have clair. Clair. See, clair. Clair. Fair or light. Noir. 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 That's dark or black. Okay, here we have an assignment to do from number 1 to number 8. Just take a paper, pause the video, write it down, and try to get the correct answer and write it in the comment section. I'll go through it and tell you if it's correct or not. And also don't forget, in my next video I'm going to do the correction of this, and I will learn another thing, which is the opposites of nouns in French language. Don't wait until I do the correction. Try your own best. You understand? For example, now use number 1. You say je m'appelle Alex. Je suis dash. Now here we are looking for the correct adjective to use for short. You know, we have masculine and feminine. So which one can we use for this? You say je suis dash for short. Do you understand? So which one can we use? Je m'appelle Alex. Je suis dash. Are we going to say court or courte? So that is it for next week. Try your best and write it in the comment section. And also, I have a community. I'll put the link below. You can join the community so that you can ask your personal questions there. Thank you so much. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. See you again in my next video. Bye for now.